I'm Bubba from the Bubba Rock Meat Company. Welcome, hunters. You know what time it is. It's almost time for deer season. A mourning dove just opened up here in Ohio. I got a great recipe for you deer hunters. I got one backstrap, chop, whatever you want to call it, from a deer left from last year. I want to show you how I do my backstraps, as I call them. I'm going to season it up with the wild, Bubba Rock's Wild Seasoning. And as always, I'm a flavor junkie, so I don't cut short on my seasoning. So we got them seasoned up. We're just going to put them in a pan. We're going to bake it 500 degrees. We have approximately about 1.5 pounds. We're going to bake it for about 15 minutes. Turn the oven off. Do not open the oven. You're going to let it sit in there 2 hours. After that 2 hours, I'll bring it back and we're going to slice this bad boy open. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Alright, it's been 2 hours. After that 500 degrees for about 10-15 minutes, depending on the doneness of your deer you like. Just let it sit in the oven. Do not peek at it. Here's the finished product. It's done with our wild seasoning. Now what I like to do with my deer backstraps, I like to slice them thin. And then you can either do Philly steaks, it's, you know, whatever you like. Or you can just eat it as a regular steak. Beautiful. Tell you what guys, hunt more deer, enjoy it.